income producing activities. Define here the income producing activities that you are going to be doing to be more productive. Okay, so look, the task is set up. This is pretty extensive task, as you can see. Okay, first of all, you are going to define your outflow income producing activities. These income producing activities are the most powerful. These are the activities that make you the most money, which in my case would be, okay, making cold calls and pushing out to make sales, okay, networking. I cannot do this full day. I can do it for a few hours, 5 hours max, 7 hours max, okay, not all day, but these are my outflow activities that are important for me to grow my business and grow my network, grow sales, grow the revenue, okay, and associate daily time for them. Okay, right here, which 3 activities you are going to be for you outflow income producing activities, like sales, networking, and doing the interviews, for example. Okay, so daily associates time for them. Right here the time, okay, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. okay, then you will have inflow income producing activities. The income producing activities is all the work that's going to be the result from your outflow income producing activities. Okay, so you write down here another section of time of when you're going to be completing these tasks. For example, this is doing your email, writing an existing, dealing with existing clients, production of the products. You know, for my photography is that editing the photos, video editing and stuff like that. You see, these are the results. Okay, serving my clients is a result of me getting clients, selling to them. Okay, and then you have necessary activities, of course. This is like getting yourself ready, taking shower, preparing the food, you know, meals and stuff like that. This is necessities. Okay, what you got to do anyway every day. Okay, probably you will spend 3 hours for this daily. The last one, actually it's not the last one, but this is personal growth activities. Okay, you want to write here book reading the book, meditation, walk in the nature, fitness, sport. Okay, write your focused activities and associate daily time for them. You can see we are already breaking down your daily routine a little bit. Okay, then you got here time wasting activities. Okay, these are the ones that I hate the most. Okay, and people do them a lot. Chitty chat about unimportant things, okay, with people, blah 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 blah. Okay, then you have watching TV, wandering around, not being focused, scrolling through social media, YouTube, blah blah blah. Okay, so write these tasks down as well, not tasks, activities down as well, and book out the time for them to be done. Okay, and avoid them during the other time in the day. Okay.